Hello, and welcome to the exciting world of YouTube automation. If you've ever dreamed of creating captivating YouTube content with minimal effort, you're in the right place. Today, I'll introduce you to a revolutionary approach that combines the power of AI and cutting-edge tools to streamline and automate your video creation process. First, we'll look into what YouTube automation is all about. Imagine having more time to focus on your strategy and growth while your channel continually gets enriched with high-quality content. One of the incredible tools we'll talk about today is ChatGPT for script writing. Next, we'll talk about Pictory AI. Pictory is a state-of-the-art AI tool that auto-generates visual, compelling, and engaging videos with superior AI voiceover. It's about enhancing the quality and appeal of your videos, ensuring that each one captures your audience's attention. But seeing is believing, right? That's why I'll be showing you a live demo of how these tools work together to create YouTube content that stands out. Plus, as a bonus, you'll receive my free ebook on the 3 steps of monetizing automated YouTube channels. And it is packed with insights and strategies to turn your content into a revenue stream. Now, with these 3 steps, as I teach in my course, I started off with my first YouTube automation channel, and I made a few $1,000s in the first week. And after 6 months, I was up at $200,000. And I can show you how to do that in the course. So get ready to transform the way you create content and unlock the full potential of your YouTube channel with automation.
Hello, and welcome to the world of YouTube automation, your fast track to content creation. Before we get started, let me give you an auto-generated, faceless overview of YouTube automation so that you can see the difference, because I want to tell you about using artificial intelligence to automate content creation for your faceless YouTube channel. Let's take a look at what I like to call true YouTube automation, smart AI that makes content creation a breeze. Until now, what many considered automation was essentially outsourcing content development to offshore teams for script writing and video production. But today we're talking about a game-changing approach that puts real automation at your fingertips. With the advent of ChatGPT, script writing is no longer a time-consuming task. In minutes, you can have engaging scripts ready to go, tailored specifically to your audience's interests and needs. Next up is Pictory, a groundbreaking tool that transforms these scripts into visually compelling, engaging videos complete with superior AI voiceovers. This isn't just about cutting corners. It's about enhancing the quality of your content while saving invaluable time. In just a moment, you'll see a demonstration of a video that took less than 10 minutes to produce from script to final cut. This demo will showcase the remarkable capabilities of these tools and the kind of high-quality content they can generate. But let's not forget, creating great content is just the first part of YouTube automation. The second crucial phase is monetizing your channel. That's where the YouTube Fast Track course comes in. This course is designed to teach you ingenious strategies to automate marketing and affiliate revenue, turning your channel into a money-making machine. By clicking the link in the description below, you'll not only get access to this free course, but also receive the free ebook detailing the 3 steps of monetizing automated YouTube channels. So this is what true automation looks like. And next, watch a demonstration of the high-quality content you can produce with ChatGPT and Pictory. This is content with valuable information that is compelling and engaging, and that can go viral. Check it out.
Are you ready to become an expert? Magnifying your potential with Conscious Cashflow's AI, giving you the power of the expert composite. In the vast, interconnected digital landscape we navigate, we are constantly bombarded with information. But amidst this information overload, have we ever stopped to evaluate the depth of our own knowledge and insights? Our AI not only recognizes the reservoir of potential within each individual, but magnifies it, adorning users with expert insights and solutions, thus painting a clearer picture of one's capabilities. Understanding the individual. Our AI isn't a mere tool or platform. It's akin to a digital mentor. At the outset, the AI-driven survey is designed to unveil your unique professional journey, interests, and experiences. But it goes beyond just gathering data. The AI learns about who you are, much like a mentor who patiently listens, understanding your strengths, weaknesses, and aspirations. It takes a deep dive into your professional persona, understanding not just what you know, but how you think and perceive, augmenting your expertise. However, understanding is just the first step. Upon grasping your professional persona, the AI sets out on a mission to enhance it. Think of your knowledge as a raw diamond. Valuable, yes, but it can shine brighter, be more multifaceted. The AI delves into its expansive database of 10,000 experts, seeking out those whose insights resonate with yours. But more importantly, it identifies areas where you might benefit from some of their expertise. It's not about overshadowing your knowledge, it's about complementing it. The birth of the expert composite. This amalgamation of your unique insights and the wisdom of seasoned experts culminates in the creation of the expert composite. It's a powerful fusion that not only amplifies your inherent knowledge but adorns you with a spectrum of expert insights and solutions. Imagine having a board of advisors in your corner, each one contributing a piece of advice, a strategy, or a solution, shaping your perspective to be more holistic and informed. Empowerment through knowledge. For many, the vastness of their own potential remains uncharted territory. You might feel you only have a limited set of skills or knowledge. However, with the expert composite, our AI showcases a magnified version of you, enriched and empowered. It's a revelation of sorts, highlighting that with the right information and insights at your fingertips, you're capable of achieving far more than you ever imagined. The true beauty of the expert composite lies not in just the additional information it provides, but in its alignment with your unique way of thinking and operating. It ensures that the insights you receive aren't generic. They are tailored, relevant, and actionable, truly resonating with your professional ethos. Bridging the gap between potential and action. Knowledge is potent, but its true power is realized when it's applied. The AI doesn't just stop at presenting you with an enriched version of your professional self. It pushes you towards action, guiding you in harnessing this newly acquired wisdom. Whether it's drafting a report, formulating a strategy, or even authoring a book, the platform equips you with the tools and insights to execute with confidence and finesse. Reimagining your professional journey. In conclusion, in an era where AI often seems impersonal and detached, Quant AI stands as a testament to the potential of technology when aligned with human potential. It doesn't just see you as a user. It recognizes you as an individual brimming with potential. And through the expert composite, it ensures that potential is not just recognized but magnified, enriched, and empowered. Embracing our AI is akin to embarking on a journey of self-discovery, where you're not just exposed to what you know, but to the vastness of what you can achieve when adorned with the right insights. It's a celebration of the symbiosis between human potential and technological innovation, guiding each one of us to realize and act upon our expert way to operate.
Imagine earning thousands in passive income from your very own automated Faceless YouTube channel. The opportunity is just a click away. Click the link in the description now and take the first step towards your financial freedom. Don't be left behind. Thousands of people are already creating financial success. Don't miss out on your chance to join them. Click the link in the description now and start your path to financial freedom. Your future awaits. Like this video and subscribe to learn more about making.
For more information on this and related subjects, check out our blog. Don't miss out. Take the free course and create a passive income stream today. And join our Facebook group. It's a community of like-minded people elevating their personal finances where you can get practical advice, tips, and strategies. The links are down below in the description.